With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We are going to use a suction cup to open a hole. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Now, let's remove the metal bracket. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Here we have the loudspeaker. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. The device is working.